Yet another reason to keep your feet off the table. This guy's gonna get a bad case of treadhead. I know you can be too old for a skateboard, but can you be too tall?
Go, go!
Wouldn't it be easier to just walk around the ball?
Now, who did this again?
First he catches the air, and then he gets it knocked out of him. He might hate the mailman, but he loves the garbage man.
She's looking up over the fence.
It's the adventures of Super Dad and Crotch Boy. As far as exercise equipment goes, I do not recommend the Chairmaster. He either needs a lower jump or a higher net. One girl at the picnic, and this is how they treat her? I don't know what that move's called, but I don't think it's gonna catch on. He saved $300 in tree removal and spent $800 in car repair. A room full of airbags and he still manages to do this? What's black and white and drools all over? It's Florence of Arabia. He almost turns into two really big guys. It looks like all hell's broken loose. I think they're the only ones on the street who actually use their treadmill. There's got to be a better way to trim that beard.
Don't! The nippers will stay on there.
Apparently this guy can hit the broadside of a barn. It looks like this tug of war has a few deserters.
Oh, is it scary?
Don't be scared.
Oh, a lion!
No, it's not. No, it's not a lion. What is it?
I know.
You know. What kind of animal?
A chicken nugget.
Birthday, dear Katrina. Happy birthday birthday to you and many more. Okay, you gotta make a wish and blow out the candles. Wish for something.
I just wish for you to stop singing.
Oh, well, that shouldn't be difficult. Keep blowing. Oh, my God.
I think this baby loves her mama.
You said I love my mama.
I put in my eyeball.
How did you pee in your eyeball?
I put in my wiener. I pulled my wiener out. I didn't pull my back down. And I went holding it up and I put in my eyeballs.
You pants were holding your wiener up.
Yeah.
So you peed straight up
Yeah.
and then peed in your eyeballs.
Yeah.
That's kind of gross, Luke.
Looks like they're serving up a little horseplay at this backyard barbecue. Anybody want seconds? Little Timmy's golfing forehead. Uh-oh, somebody's pulling pranks. And a few hairs. It looks like she's gonna set a spell and take a load off.
Oh, yeah, don't get it.